you ever seen this little weird syntax right here with an ampersand and a symbol? Well, that's called symbol to proc, and it's actually something Rails adds to Ruby. Now let me go into detail on what this is actually doing. To do this, I'll open Script Console, and let's fetch an array of projects. So I have two projects here. Now let's say I want to return an array of all the project names. One way to do that is to use a collect method, which takes a block, and I could return the name of the project. And so this will return, it'll iterate through the project's array and fetch the name and put it in another array. That's what the collect method does. Now, where does symbol to proc come in? What it does is it allows you to do a shortcut for this exact thing, where if you just want to call a method on the object that the block is sent. So, for example, we just pass a parameter with an ampersand and then the name of the method as a symbol. So in this case we want to use the name. And this will perform exactly the same as this. It's just a little shorter. Now where this gets really cool is when you need to combine multiple things like this. So in this case we could call maybe strip, or let's call downcase, something we can see. And so this will actually run it through, grab all the names, and downcase them all. And it doesn't even need to be on this collect method. It can be on any method that accepts a block and return and passes one object to it. For example, we can call the all method and pass the is valid symbol, and this will return it's just valid. This will return true or false if all of the projects are valid. We could just use any here, and if any of the projects are valid. And so this is really useful. We could even call each and call save on it to save all of the projects. So this symbol to proc is just a quick shortcut, and it's really simple to use once you get the hang of it. The syntax is a little bit weird at the beginning, but I encourage you to play around with it and get used to the syntax because it's really useful, especially when you string methods together with blocks. I hope you've enjoyed this RailsCast. If you have any comments or suggestions, please send them to feedback@railscasts.com. Thanks for watching.